Go, Malibu, go. Go, Malibu, go. He loves the mist. You can't wait for summertime, huh? To go outside under the mister? What about you? Hey, Synergy, looking nice and clean. Whee! Synergy! Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Yay. You want more? He keeps running toward me. Look how wet the counter is. Wow, we'll just have to clean it up, right? We'll just have to clean it up, that's all. And he wants more. You're going to be drenched. You're going to be drenched. Yeah, they're all molting, so this like feels good. Feels good to them. All right? Feels good. Where's Kingsley? He's not joining in. Where's Kingsley? He's having a nap. Go, Malibu, go. I got the water running. Every time I turn the water on, they want to bathe, but they don't go under there much. They prefer to be misted and to go into the bath. And the sun is shining. Look at that. The sun is coming right down on you, baby. Yes. Nice. Like your tail is so cute. Okay, Synergy had enough. Hey, Malibu, are you wet enough? Where are you going? Where are you going? What? Oh, back for more. Look at the mess. I think he wants more.
It looked like a pigeon.
Yeah, it's like he flooded the house now. Okay. Good boy. He's done.